Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track.
Hello guys, this is Miguel Gacosta. Subukan ko to talunin ng 1v1 kasi malakas to eh.
Hi!
Halos parehas na kami ng skill level nito. Team deathmatch pala. Mali ako.
May restrictions?
Wala naman. Kahit ano. Anything goes. Kahit na ipalo mo yung ano. 2x2. No bots, syempre. And we're set. So, 1v1. So, meron tong ano eh. Meron kaming set of skills eh. Tinatawag na death from above yung isa. Tapos yung isa naman, ano? The assassination. At ako naman yung the assassination. Yeah, boy. Gaya niyan. Mas mahilig ako sa mga close quarter combat.
Pwede na!
Ito mommy there.
Hello there.
Hello there. Death from above skill. Woo!
That's quite big.
Woo! Ha? Damage ka doon, hindi? Damage ka pa din?
And then...
Asa baba ka na pala? Uli! Kaya lang agaya ng mga gameplay na ang bibilis eh. Where are you, baby? Saluhin mo! Saluhin mo! Okay, I'm sticking...
Wala akong throwable grenade.
I'm sticking to the throwing thing eh. Throwing thing eh. Tinamaan siya mid-air. That's something you don't see every day. Oh! Grabe ba? Luminog pati dito, lumilindol ah. Patay! Tumagos yung bala dun sa mga leaf. Dalawang beses na yan, buddy. Baka mamaya may gumagapang na ano. Gumagapang na si Tito.
What are you waving at? What are you waving at?
Whoa! 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 Grabe naman talaga. Hello there.
Hello there.
Oh! Uuluhan ko na sana eh.
Sing, sing! Sing! Sing!
I missed.
Putik na yan.
I'm blind in my left eye and 43% blind in my right eye. I don't see much of nothing.
Hindi sayang.
Okay. Tatlo lamang yun sa akin. Kailangan ko ano, umabol. Pero paano gagawin yun? Ha? Saan ka na?
Sing!
Yeah boy, that's one. Kailangan kong tatlo. Tatlong kill. Up here.
Sing!
That's two. Naku, wala nang shuriken, gagi.
Sing, sing! Sing, sing!
That's three, okay. Pantay na yung score. That's four. Four, okay. Sobrang na ako ng isa.
Sing, sing!
Oh, that's five, okay. Tal na eh, no? Kill it, come on! Come on, kill me, I'm here! Whoa!
But I cannot see. I'm legally blind.
Whoa! Woo! One shot, one kill. Woo! Oh, yun nakasabit.
Oh, I missed! Oh, I missed! Stop it. Get some help.
Huh?
What?
Standing by.
Oh, I missed! Stop it. Get some help.
Huli!
Yeah, boy.
You're going, baby. I'm here. Whoopsie, 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 whoopsie. Woo! Come on! Eto na! Ang pinakaalas ko! Sige! Pistolan mo pa! Ang pinakaalas! Ilalabas ko ng 100%! Eto na! Ilalabas ko na! Pinakamalakas kong alas! Diba, tinamaan ako ng magaling? Oh!
Stop it.
Hey! Hey!
Get some help.
Ito mama! Oh! Grabe ba? Pinalo ako sa paa!
Range.
Hoy! Di ba nagagawin yan, pre? Aerial combat ako, buddy. Hindi pa tumama yun. Advance na yun eh. Bakit mo sinalo? 2 beses na yan. Sinabihan na huwag saluhin eh. Get up! Get up! Fucking get up! Sinalo ko rin. Bakit mo sinasalo lagi, pre? Ano pa? Sabi huwag saluhin eh. Sinabihan eh. What? What the fuck?
No!
Oh, sinalo ko din. Galing. Tama, tama.
Go, go, go!
Miss! Oh! 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 Grabe talaga. Advance talaga. Putik, bago ka pa, ano? Oh! Usang buhay ba? Oh! Putik talaga yun. Yeah! Putik na, killing spree, triple kill. Where the hell are you? Oh! Where are you? I'm looking for you.
Patience. Don't do anything stupid.
Hoy! Oh, grabe. Death from above. Headshot. Talaga naman. Sino ba namang hindi? Oh, no. Ay! 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 10 ways the point. Let's get out of here. Oh, you. Babato ka din? Grabe, 30. 10 ba? 40 lang ba? Ano ba? The fastest man alive. Hindi The Flash, ha? Snatcher yun. Come on, kill me, I'm here. Uy! Sakto-sakto rin pagkasabi. Oh, basag yung shuriken ko ba? Ah, meron na pulot. Okay, good. Hindi mo nagagawa yun, pre. Sing sing! Huh? 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 What? Huh? Huh? What? Are you serious? Quick scope, boy. Man, boy. Oh no! Likod! Grabe naman to. Nag-mag-i-spider naman kaya sa gilid ah. Walang ganyanan. Sniper lang tapos batuan. Pala ka dyan. Oh! Tumagos?
See you on the other side.
No, you're not. Bakit ka pa? Oh! Sinulata. Skip. 19 score. Ayun po. Salamat sa panonood. This is Miguel Gacosa signing out. Yan po ang aking experience sa Combat Master. Yan, syempre. Susunod na yung, yung Battle Royale kasi medyo late na rin. Yan. Salamat sa panonood. Peace out.